Hello there guys, welcome back or welcome to an endocrine physiology video. In today's video, we're talking about the love hormone, the bonding hormone, oxytocin. Now in this video, we'll be looking at how oxytocin functions during childbearing and milk letdown. Now during childbearing, what happens first is the baby tells mommy he wants to come outside by stretching the cervix of the uterus. Now this stretching activates the stretch receptor, which goes over to the hypothalamus, which activates the paraventricular nucleus to release oxytocin. Oxytocin is released and it goes to this receptor. Now, this part here is the myometrium. So this one here is the zoomed in part of all the cells you're seeing here in red. So it goes to this receptor, which is a serpentine receptor, and activates this GQ protein. This GQ protein then comes over to activate phospholipase C. Now, phospholipase C breaks down PIP2 into diacylglycerol and IP3. IP3 causes the sarcoplasmic reticulum and the caveolae to release calcium, which will in turn cause bond with calcium carbonylate to form contractions. Then the DAG activates phosphate kinase C, which will cause phosphorylation of a membrane protein that will allow calcium to come inside and also help increase the contractions. Now that increasing contraction will allow the baby come out. Now this whole pathway that goes on here is something going to happen here. In this case, it's happening in the ducts. Now the milk is already being produced. All that's needed is for these red cells, these myoepithelial cells, to contract. Once they contract, they force the milk already being produced through the duct, and milk is being produced. This also is the same concept that happens during ejaculation. During ejaculation, oxytocin causes the vas deferens to contract and pushes the sperm out. Now, what happens when there is hyper or hyposecretion of oxytocin? Now, for hyper, which is too much, it doesn't really happen, but when a woman is trying to give birth and there is little contraction, she can be given pitocin, which is just synthetic oxytocin, and this might cause increasing oxytocin levels, but it just helps in the increased contraction, so it doesn't really do much. For hyposecretion, you have uterine inertia, which is the inability to contract as much to give birth to the child, so you end up giving pitocin to help increase the contraction. And also, hyposecretion can also be caused due to postpartum hemorrhage. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you all next time.